The nature of science. What is the nature of science? What holds the real truth, religion or science? What is the meaning of life? Let us explore how scientific and religious concepts have evolved over time.
Our earliest look into this matter is the earliest theories proposed by scientists from many centuries ago. One of the earliest proposed beliefs by Aristotle was geocentrism, the belief that Earth is at the center of the universe. For many centuries, people believed this, and also Copernicus's idea that the planets traveled in circular orbit.
The earliest theories set the foundation for science, but also resulted in more questions about what science could offer explanation-wise. Why is the sky blue? Why do things fall to the ground? Why are there stars in the sky?
How we develop theories. Scientific ideas have come from extensive research, observation, and trials to form theories and laws. Many conclusions formulated by scientists have been similar to those of the past, but we have been more developed, such as medicine/medical practices. Through the use of better instruments, we have been able to discover more things in space and technology, such as how telescopes have gone from small and simple to large and complex, like the Hubble telescope.
Because of technologies developed over centuries and questions asked by multitudes of brilliant minds, society and the scientific world have come to accept these theories as true, such as plate tectonics, the Big Bang Theory, evolution, heliocentrism, natural selection, and the theory of relativity.
95% of the world believes in one higher being, but some scientific practices and theories come into conflict with religious views. Some people or religions strongly oppose beliefs such as evolution and natural selection. On the other hand, there are some scientists who denounce religion. Though science holds the answers to some of life's questions, there are gaps in these questions. Religion fills the gaps that science cannot cover. It explains the unexplainable.
Though religion and science, at a glance, seem conflicting or discordant, there are many areas in which they can be congruent. Together, all of these things, math, science, religion, can come together and truly explain the nature of science.